welcome back to my channel. So recently I put a poll on my Instagram story like should I do a Eid makeup tutorial, and many of you guys selected yes, that we want a makeup tutorial. So here I am. I even asked you all guys like what makeup should I go for. Should I go for a glammed, full face glammed, or a very simple look? And you guys selected a full glam look. So here I am, all dolled up, all glammed up. So this is what I've come up with, and I personally liked it. And I think this is very neutral, like the eye space is very neutral, but you can just play on the colors on your lower lash line according to your dress. I was wearing a green color dress, so I smoked my lower lash line with the green color, but you can obviously change the color of your choice and your dress. So yeah, enough blabbering. I think now let's move on to the video and let's see how I get this look. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step is to prep your skin for the makeup application, and for that I'm taking my Biotic Morning Nectar face cream. This is one of my favorite cream, and followed by a sun protecting cream. Sun protection is really important. Make sure you apply it every day. And then I'm moving on with my foundation, and for that I'm taking my favorite, like my most favorite foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228. It's really amazing. The coverage is beautiful, it blends amazingly, it's just amazing. I think you should definitely try this out. This is one of my favorite foundation, and I'm blending it up with a flatter foundation brush. I'm blending it into my face in a circular stroke because I think it helps a lot in blending the product. And moving on with this Mars 3D contour slash highlighting stick, and I'm just applying this concealer shade on the under eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead area, like the usual areas where I love to apply concealer, and just below my contour. And then again I'm gonna blend it up with the same brush that I use for applying my foundation, and I'm just blending the concealer into my skin. Make sure you give a lot of time in blending the product, because this is one of the important steps. If your base doesn't look good, your like whole makeup is gonna look bad and patchy. So make sure you give a lot of time in blending the product. Then moving on with the blush. For that I'm taking this SFR color blush duo and applying the blush shade on my face. Moving on with the SFR contouring kit, and I'm just applying this contour shade from the palette. I'm just carving out my face. I want that chisel look, so yeah, just contour and make sure you blend it properly. Then moving on to my eyebrows. For that I'm taking my ADS eyebrow powder, filling in the gaps in between my brows, and then I'm just taking that eyebrow brush to brush it out so that it looks all natural. Then moving on to the eyes, I've taken my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and from that I've taken few brown shades and applying it on my crease area. Then I'll intensify my crease area with the same brown, and then I'm moving on with my lid color, and for that I've taken the golden eyeshadow, and I think this is gonna look good on each and every outfit because this is the kind of neutral shade. And then I'm moving on with this deeper chocolatey brown and mixing it up with the black color and applying it on the outer corners, and I'm just intensifying the outer corner, and I'm just blending it with my crease area. Okay, so the next step was to smoke out the lower lash line with a green color, but unfortunately my camera was not recording, so the step is not recorded. I'm really sorry for that guys, but I just smoked the lower lash line with a green color eyeshadow. I think you can customize it according to your dress. I was wearing a green color dress, so I just apply a green color. If you are wearing a black, just smoke it out with a black color, or if you are wearing a blue, then you can just change the color. And then I'm moving on with the kajal. I usually don't apply kajal on my waterline, but today I applied it and I think I did a great job because this made my eye look so damn amazing and it was looking really nice. Then I'm moving on with the mascara, and for that I'm taking my favorite, like my current favorite mascara. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. Applying few coats of mascara on my upper and the lower lashes. Make sure you apply it on the lower lashes as well. And then I'm moving on again. I'll say this is one of my favorite liquid lipstick of all time. This is the Maybelline Matte Ink in the shade Seeker. I love this formula, I love this shade, it's amazing. You should definitely try it out. Again, I'm gonna say it that this is one of my favorite highlighter. You guys know that I love highlighting my face, and I'm again highlighting my entire face with this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And yeah, voila, we are done with the makeup look.